Hi, welcome to the Chinese Handwriting YouTube channel. In today's video, let's take a look at the following similar-looking Chinese characters: 物, 虚 and 数. 物, 虚 and 数. 物 means the fifth of the 10 heavenly stones. 虚 means the 11th of the 12 earthly branches. 虚 11th of the 12 earthly branches. 戊戌 数 means defend. 戊戌 35th year of the centenary cycle. 35th year. 6th cycle. 戊戌数 戊戌. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.